What's up, Chemical Guys family? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, we're going over water spots. So I'm gonna show you guys the quick and easy way to remove water spots from your ride, whether it be on your paint, glass, wheels, headlights, and more, fast and easy. So the reason that we want to remove water spots in the first place is not only because it looks ugly on our vehicles, but because it can also cause permanent damage. So if you're not aware, all that water, whether it be from rain or maybe sprinklers hit the side of your vehicle, that water has calcium and minerals in it, which can cause an etching into your paint. So it's gonna sit on there, it's gonna make it look cloudy, and then over time it's gonna etch into the clear coat, which is gonna require further polishing in order to remove it. So right now, while this is fresh, we wanna go ahead and remove it right now. That way it doesn't cause any kind of permanent damage. And we're gonna be doing so with our heavy duty water spot remover gel. But before we do that, we have to clean the surface. Now the vehicle is dirty and I'm not really too worried about cleaning the rest of the vehicle first. I really wanna focus on these water spots first before we get into cleaning the rest of the vehicle. So the first product that we're gonna grab here today is going to be our Swift Wipe Waterless Wash. Now, Swift Wipe is a car wash in a bottle. So as opposed to you washing your vehicle outside with running water, since we are in a drought right now, we do want to make sure that we use the least amount of water as possible and be smarter with the way that we're using our water. So that's why we have our waterless wash. It's an extremely easy to use product. All you have to do is simply spray directly onto the surface and then wipe it off with the microfiber towel. And I'll show you guys just how right now. So right here I have one of my green Workhorse towels, and this is the towel that I like to use when it comes to waterless wash. And like I mentioned, all you have to do is simply spray a nice fine coat onto the surface. And then what I also like to do, in this case since it's pretty dirty, I'm also going to spray directly onto the microfiber towel itself, and then I'm going to set my bottle down. Now, what you want to do when it comes to waterless wash is you want to roll your wrist as you're wiping. So as opposed to just me setting it down and just scraping it all throughout the side, I'm actually going to be rolling my towel as I'm wiping. So I want you guys to pay attention real quick. So I'm going to be wiping, and then as I'm wiping, I'm also rolling my towel as well. And then it's also fine if you want to go ahead and just inspect your towel every so often. In this case, my towel still looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with doing this rest of this fender here. Continuing rolling the towel. Checking my towel once again. As you guys can see, it's getting a little bit of buildup of grime right here. So what I like to do is I like to fold the towel right here and then only use this clean side. And then I'm going to go ahead and continue, roll my towel, and then we're good to go. And then what you can also do is flip the towel onto the opposite side to buff off any excess cleaner and any kind of grime that may have been left behind. So what I'm going to do right now is continue cleaning this fender, and then I'll be right back with you guys to show you guys that there's still water spots sitting on the surface. All right, you guys, so I just finished wiping down the fender, but I want you guys to come in very closely and check this out. So I'll grab my light once again, and I'm gonna show you guys the result of it, how it looks after cleaning it. As you guys can see, there's still a ton of water spots sitting on the surface. Now, these water spots are actually etched into the clear coat. So in order to remove something like this, we're gonna need a gel, a specialty gel that's gonna go ahead and break this down for us. And that's why we have our heavy duty Chemical Guys water spot remover gel. Now this product is a gel-based formula, so it's gonna work out great to break down all the calcium and mineral deposits sitting on the surface of our paint. We can also use this product on glass, headlights, wheels, and so much more. So what we're gonna do right now is we're actually gonna grab a soft microfiber applicator, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tuck in my light for a second here. I'm gonna grab some water spot remover gel, and I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to remove these water spots from your vehicle. So what you wanna do is you wanna grab your microfiber applicator, and then you wanna apply about 2 drops. Now, when it comes to the gel itself, it all really depends on how bad the water spots are. If the water spots are much worse than this, you can apply even 3 to 4 drops. In this case, I feel like the gel is going to be, these 2 drops of gel is going to be more than enough to clean this entire fender from all the water spots that it has. So I'm going to set my bottle down. Then I'm going to work in small sections at a time, starting from this front part of the fender. I'm going to go ahead and set this and just kind of blot it out. And then just like a wax, all you have to do is apply it left and right. You don't have to do any kind of aggressive motions with this product. So all you have to do is just work it in. And then once you work it in, you can go ahead and wipe it right off. So let me just go ahead and finish doing this right here. I'm going to do the entire fender just because this gel, it stretches a very long way. So the product, it is a gel, and that's really what I enjoy about this product, is that it makes it super slick, super easy to go ahead and apply this onto your fender. And as you guys saw, I used a very little bit of product. So there's really no reason for you to have to go overboard with the product unless you absolutely have to. Maybe you have some water spots that have been there for a very long time and you really want to achieve that super deep clean. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up right here. And then once you're done working the gel, you want to set down your applicator. And to make it easy for yourself, once you finish applying the gel, we recommend that you spray the surface down with water or a quick detail spray or even a waterless wash like Swift Wipe to neutralize the cleaner and make it much easier to remove. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to grab the same product, Swift Wipe, spray directly onto the surface, spray some onto my towel, and then just simply buff it off. And doing so, you're going to neutralize the citrus-based cleaner on the surface, and it's also going to make your life much easier to remove since it is a gel. Gels are a little bit more difficult to remove, but in this case, since we are wiping it down with our waterless wash remover first, this is going to go ahead and pick up that gel much more easier for us and allow us to not only clean the surface, but also shine and protect it as well, since Swift Wipe does have a built-in sealant into it. All right, guys, and just like that, we're all done. So I want you guys to come in close now, and I'm gonna show you guys the after results up close with our LED inspection light. So come check this out. You guys saw how it was before we cleaned it. You guys saw how it was after we cleaned it. Now you guys are seeing right now what it looks like after using the heavy duty water spot remover gel. And check that out. Nothing but crystal clear metallic flake from this beautiful Grand Cherokee. All right, guys, and just like that, check out those results. You guys saw night and day difference between the side that we've treated with our heavy duty water spot remover gel and the side which we haven't. Some other great things about our water spot remover gel is that it's a non-abrasive product. So for you guys wondering out there, is this a polish? Is this a compound? No, it's not. It's actually not going to remove any of your clear coat whatsoever. So that's what makes this product so amazing, that it neutralizes water spots without you having to resort to having to use a machine polisher, having to have a compound and an aggressive pad and cut off years of life from your paint. So another great thing about this product is that you can also use this for home surfaces as well. Here at the Detail Garage, we love using this thing on glass shower doors. So if you guys have water spots on your glass shower doors, hey, we got a solution. So you can use it on glass shower doors, windows, tile, and so much more. And not only on just your ride, but you can use it on boats, RVs, motorhomes, jet skis, and so much more. One last piece of information that I do want to share with you guys is that we are going to be coating this Jeep with some Jetseal afterwards. Now, the reason we're doing so is because obviously we want to prevent water spots from accumulating on our vehicle, and Jetseal has insane hydrophobic properties that are going to go ahead and bead water off. So any kind of water that lands on your vehicle, most of that stuff is going to go ahead and just fall right off. And then for the stuff that does stick around, this does act as a synthetic layer of protection on your vehicle. So you can go ahead and just easily grab a quick detail spray like Speed Wipe, spray onto the surface, wipe it down, and you're good to go. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and conclude the video right here. We are going to be finishing the rest of the vehicle, so we're gonna go ahead and treat it with the complete waterless wash with our Swift Wipe, heavy duty water spot remover gel on the affected areas with the water spots, and then we're gonna go ahead and seal the entire thing with our Jetseal. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I want you guys to comment down below in the comment section what other videos that you guys would like to see us make. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'll see you guys next time.